Okay, student. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are doing the derivatives of the trigonometrical function. So I'm writing the formulae. You must copy down them or remember. I have already sent you the formula sheet. Trigonometrical functions. Derivative of sine x will be equal to cos x. Ali 64100. Mustafa Shahid 64242. Asadullah Khan 61343. 6134. Abdullah Ali Mustafa Shahid, then 61348. Muhammad Bilal Ansari 64434. Okay. Then Khalil Muhammad Mirza 62743. Azim Bilal 63654. Iman Aisha 64076. Okay. Derivative of sine x will be cos x. Derivative of cos x minus sine x. Derivative of tan x x square x. Derivative of cosec x minus cosec x cot x. Derivative of sec x sec x tan x. Derivative of cot x minus cosec square x. These are 6 trigonometrical functions and their derivatives. Sayyid Muhammad Usman 63626. Okay. So these are the few derivatives of trigonometrical functions: sin x, cos x minus sin x, tan x, sec square x. Then the converse of sin x will be cosec x, and the derivative cosec x will be minus cosec x cot x. In the same way, reciprocal of cos x is sec x. The derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Reciprocal of tan x is cot x. Derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. So all the cos is negative, cosec is negative, cot is negative. All the derivatives of the co-functions, they are negative. And the derivative of not co-functions, sine, tan, sec, they are positive. They are positive. This has to be remembered. Saad Ahmed Khan 64050. So now we are doing the exercise, trigonometrical functions. Exercise is 3.4. Exercise is 3.4. Find dy upon dx. Find dy upon dx. Now they came Nabil Ahmed Khan and Ahsan Salman. Nabil Ahmed Khan number 61522. And Ahsan Salman 62907. Okay. So these are the formulae for the trigonometrical functions of derivatives. Now we are doing exercise 3.4. Have you noted it down? Note it down so that it will be easy for you to solve the question. Note it down. I will send you again the formula sheet. I have already sent in the group. And again, I will send in the on the LMS. So have you all noted down this one? Have you all noted down this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm starting the exercise 3.4. Question number 1, y is equal to minus 10x plus 3 cos x. Page 188. Question number 1, y is equal to 10 minus 10x plus 3 cos x. So dy upon dx will be equal to minus 10 is constant and the derivative of x is 1 plus 3, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and the derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x is, we have to take this is the derivative of the cos. The derivative of cos is minus sin x. Then we take the derivative of x, that is 1. That is 1. So no need to write 1. It will become minus 10 minus 3 sin x. This is the answer. Minus 10 minus 3 sin x. Question number 3. Y is equal to cosec x minus 4 under root x plus 7. Question number 3. Y is equal to cosec x minus 4 under root x plus 7. So first of all, we will convert under root x in the index form. We will remove the radical sign, convert into the index form. So it will become, y will become cosec x minus 4 x raised to power 1 over 2 plus 7. This we converted into the index form. The radical sign is removed and converted the function into the index form. Now we'll find the derivative. Dy upon dx will be equal to the derivative of cosec x will be minus cosec x cot x. This is the derivative of the cosec. Now the derivative of x is 1. So there is no need to multiply with the 1. Minus 4 is constant. Derivative of x raised to power 1 over 2 will be 1 over 2. The power will come over there into x raised to power 1 over 2 minus 1. This is the derivative of the power. Now the derivative of x is 1. So no need to write 1. And the derivative of 7 is 0. The constant is 0. So the answer will become 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So minus cosec x cot x minus 2 1s are 2, x is to power 1 over 2 minus 1 will be minus 1 over 2. This is the answer. And plus 0. This is the answer. Minus cosec x cot x minus 2 x is to power minus 1 over 2. You may convert into the radical form. Take 1 upon x is to power 1 over 2. It will become under root x. Cosec x cot x minus 2 upon x is to power 1 over 2. And that may be converted under root x. We may write this one. That is as it is. This is the answer. This is also correct. This is also correct. If you want to convert the power 1 over 2 into the radical form, so first you have to change negative sign into the positive sign by taking the inverse of x raised to power minus 1 over 2. It will become 1 over x raised to power 1 over 2. And then x raised to power 1 over 2 will become under root x. So this is the answer. Swabuddin 62089, 62029. Okay. Then Azim Bilal 63654, 654. Muhammad Hashir 64093. Twenty-four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. It means 4 students again log out. Okay, understood this one? Have you understood this question?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now we are doing another question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Y is equal to sec x plus 10x into sec x minus 10x. Zishan Ahmad Khan 63350. Question number 5. Y is equal to sec x plus 10x into sec x minus 10x. This is a question. We may simplify this one. We may simplify this one. So sec x plus 10x will be sec x minus 10x. Or we may use u into v formula. This is u and this is v. We may use u into v, or we may use the trigonometrical formula, algebraic formula to simplify this one, then trigonometrical formula to further simplify this. So we may use the algebraic formula a plus b into a minus b. Y will be equal to a square minus b square. That means sec square x minus tan square x. We may further simplify this one, or you may take the derivative over there. How to simplify this one? So 1 plus sine square may be converted into sec square, or sec square may be converted into tan square. Sec square may be converted into tan square. Tan square x plus 1 is equal to sec square x. So sec square x minus 1 is equal to tan square. So sec square x is equal to 1 minus tan square x. Oh, sorry, 1 plus tan square x. Sec square x is converted into 1 plus tan square x and minus tan square x. This will become 1 plus tan square x minus tan square x, cancel. So y is equal to 1 only. So dy upon dx is equal to 0. Dy upon dx is equal to 0. So sec square x plus tan square x into sec square x, sec x plus tan x, sec x plus tan x into sec x minus tan x. It will become sec square x minus tan square x. Sec square x is converted into tan square x. So 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. This is the algebraic formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now sec square x is 1 plus tan square x. This is the trigonometrical formula. We use the trigonometrical formula. So sec square x is 1 plus tan square x. So minus tan square x. Open it. Tan square x minus tan square x. Cancel. Only 1 is left. So y is equal to 1. So derivative of y, the derivative of 1 will be 0. So this is the answer. Or we may differentiate this one, or we may differentiate this one, u into v. This is u, this is v. This is u into, this is v. We may use that formula. So directly differentiate this one, u into v. Use the formula u into v to find the derivative of dy upon dx. Understood this one? Have you all understood this one? Okay. Now the next question. I am doing question number Rafi Rahman 6338. So now I am doing question number 7. Y is equal to cot x upon 1 plus cot x. Y is equal to cot x upon 1 plus cot. So we will use the formula u upon v. We can't simplify this one further, but we may use the formula u upon v. So dy upon dx will be equal to derivative of cot x. That will be minus cosec square x into 1 plus cot x minus derivative of 1 plus cot x. The derivative of 1 is 0 and the derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x into cot x. First we took the derivative of this one into that function, then we took the derivative of this one into that function. Whole upon 1 plus cot x whole square. is that is equal to multiply this one minus cosec square x into 1 will be minus cosec square x minus cosec square x into cot x minus cosec square x cot x minus minus into minus will be plus cosec square x into cot x whole upon 1 plus cot x.
सर ये क्या किया है ऊपर वाली लाइन में आपने डेरिवेटिव में?
डेरिवेटिव लिया ना बेटा, और क्या किया, इसका डेरिवेटिव है ये ऐसे लिख दिया, फिर इसका डेरिवेटिव लिया ये ऐसे लिख दिया और नीचे इसका स्क्वायर माइनस कोसेक स्क्वायर एक्स कॉट एक्स प्लस कोसेक स्क्वायर कॉट एक्स कैंसिल, दिस इज माइनस कोसेक स्क्वायर एक्स अपॉन 1 प्लस कॉट एक्स होल स्क्वायर. Cosec square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x. 1 plus cot square x. But there is no use. So this is the final answer. dy upon dx. This is the final answer. Mohammed Kashan 64055. अगेन दोबारा एक्सप्लेन करता हूं, y is equal to cot x upon 1 plus cot x. This is question number 7. दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं, u अपॉन v का फार्मूला लगेगा. u अपॉन v का फार्मूला क्या है, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u, दैट मीन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cot x विल बी माइनस cosec स्क्वायर x इनटू v. v हमारे पास 1 प्लस cot x है, वो एज इट इज लिख दिया, फिर माइनस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ v, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cot 1 प्लस cot x का 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0, cot x का माइनस cosec स्क्वायर x इनटू u एज इट इज लिख दिया cot x अपॉन v स्क्वायर 1 प्लस cot x का होल स्क्वायर. इसको ओपन किया, माइनस cosec स्क्वायर x इंटू 1 विल बी माइनस cosec स्क्वायर x और ये से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ माइनस cosec स्क्वायर x cot x. ये 0 माइनस दिस वन विल बी माइनस cosec स्क्वायर x बचा, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया और cosec स्क्वायर x cot x से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ cosec स्क्वायर x cot x हो गया. ये माइनस का cosec स्क्वायर x cot x है, ये प्लस का cosec स्क्वायर cot x है, दोनों कैंसिल हो गए. ये सिर्फ माइनस cosec स्क्वायर x बचा और अपॉन 1 प्लस cot x होल स्क्वायर, 1 प्लस cot x होल स्क्वायर. दिस इज आंसर. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू. u अपॉन v का फार्मूला है, वो आपको याद होना चाहिए, याद होगा तो फिर आप फार्मूले लगा सकते हैं डेरिवेटिव्स को. जो हमने अलजेब्रा में पढ़ा था वही फार्मूले हैं, बेसिक तो बेसिक वही फार्मूले हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, 4 upon cos x plus 1 upon 10. Question number 9. Y is equal to 4 upon cos x plus 1 upon 10x. इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे. 4 1 अपॉन cos x क्या होगा, sec x और 1 अपॉन 10x क्या होगा, cot x. अब इसको डिफरेंशिएट कर ले. y is equal to dy upon dx, sorry, differentiating dy upon dx, 4 sec x का डेरिवेटिव sec x tan x, cot x का डेरिवेटिव माइनस cosec square x, so that will become 4 sec x tan x minus cosec square x. ये हमारे पास आंसर हो गया। ये अगर फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते तो कर ले, लेकिन होगा नहीं। sec x will be 1 upon cos x, 1 upon cos x, tan x sin x upon cos x, तो कैंसिल नहीं हो रहे। ऊपर sin x है, यहाँ 1 upon cos x होगा, cos x sin x से कैंसिल नहीं हो सकता, तो एज इट इज आ जाएगा। तो ये भी कैंसिल नहीं हो सकता, तो दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर, कैन नॉट बी फर्दर सिंप्लीफाइड। मोहम्मद हम्माद केम 64078। So this is the final answer. Question number 9. Now we'll do the further question. Question number 13. Find ds upon dt. Question number 13. From 13 to 20. Sorry, question number 13 to 16. Find ds upon dt. So question number 13 I am doing. T tan t minus t square cot t. T tan t minus t square cot t.